Okay, here's a real quick video of my brand new stainless steel heavy duty fly cutter that I machined last night. And we're going to go ahead and take a little test pass here to see what's going on. I'm going to go Z minus 20 thousandths. Turn on the spindle. There we go. You can see that machine is trimmed pretty good because it's making a cross pattern in both directions. That's about 10 inches a minute there. 20,000 feet. That's about as smooth as glass there. I think you can kind of see that in the reflection, the little crosshatch pattern going both directions. See some right in there. But it's working really good. This is a Grizzly Tools lathe cutter that I bought in a set. Came with a parting off tool and threading tool and a couple other tools, but it's got the diamond insert there. I don't know the designation of that thing, but it's there. It's about $100 set, I think it was, and that thing's working really good on my lathe, and now it's working really good here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Pete from Tennessee signing out.